In a recent judgment passed by the Patna High Court, the Patna High Court has delivered the ingredients of Section 407 CRP, which is basically a transfer of a case from one session to another session. So what happened? The petitioner has filed the petition under 408 for transfer of a case from one division to another division in the same session under 408, and the prayer got dismissed by this session. So he has the remedy to avail the transfer from High Court under 407 subclause 2 of CRPC, in which there is a provision that a person can approach the High Court if the petition got dismissed by the session court for a transfer of from one division to another division in same session. So High Court dismissed the petition of that petitioner under 407 by holding that if you are invoking a power of 407, the petitioner have to mention the grounds for transfer of a case from one division to another division in same session. A person cannot challenge the impugned order of session judge that why the transfer has been made. It is not maintainable at all. So you have to mention, you have to seek the transfer of a case under 407. You cannot challenge the impugned order, why this case and the why the transfer was made. And the petitioner who was just invoking the power of 407 in this case, the petition got dismissed because he was challenging the impugned order. These are the most important ingredients of this judgment.